I've had this solar-powered security light and camera combo from Eufy for about a year now, and it is brilliant. I purchased 2 of them. I placed one on my backyard entrance, which is facing south, and one on my driveway facing north. Both get good direct and indirect sunlight, and they stay charged all the time. You only have to charge it once before installing it. After that, it stays powered on with sunlight. I love that it has no monthly fees. It was very easy to install, which means you don't need an electrician, and I don't have to pay for electricity either. To install it, I just drilled the back panel into the wall by myself, charged the light, and hung it in place. I've never had to charge it again after that. The sun takes care of that. It survived charged even through winter's -40 deep freeze. The panels did get covered in snow for my driveway camera light, and the battery stopped charging. But it alerted me of low battery, so I removed the snow and it was charging again. So it was an easy fix. The light is super bright, so it illuminates my property at night, but without being blinding or disturbing. The 2K camera captures excellent quality video and even has color night vision. The AI motion detection notifies my phone when it senses activity, and you can personalize which kind of activity you want to be notified of, like motion or human detection. This security light cam just works incredibly well, and it gives me total peace of mind without any additional cost to it. I am very happy with my purchase, and I highly recommend it. My name is Gabby. Thanks for watching my review.